Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm David. We're so happy you're here with us today. How's your English learning going? Are you practicing every day?
Today we have a really important topic. It's something that so many English learners tell us about. You can understand English when you hear it or read it, but when you try to speak, it's hard. The words don't come out easily.
Yes, exactly. I get messages from listeners all the time saying, David, I watch movies in English and understand everything. But when I talk to someone, my mind goes blank. Does that sound like you?
It's such a common problem. Don't worry if it happens to you. You're not alone. Today, we're going to talk about why this happens and how to fix it. We'll go step by step, and we'll share some simple tips to help you start speaking more confidently.
Great idea, Emma. Let's start with the first reason. Many people learn English only by reading books or listening to podcasts like this one. They understand the words, but they don't practice using them.
That's right. It's like knowing how to swim by reading a book about it, but never jumping into the water. You need to practice speaking to get better at it.
Exactly. Speaking is a skill, like playing soccer or riding a bike. If you don't do it often, your speaking muscles, that means your mouth, tongue, and brain, get weak. You might know the grammar rules in your head, but when you open your mouth, it feels strange.
Yes! I remember when I was learning Spanish, I could read menus and understand conversations, but when I tried to order food, I said the wrong words. It was funny, but I learned from it.
Good story, Emma. So, listeners, think about this. Do you spend most of your time listening or reading? If yes, that's why speaking is hard. You need balance, input like listening, and output like speaking.
To fix this, start small. Say simple sentences out loud every day. For example, look around your room and say, "This is my chair. It's blue." Or, "I'm drinking water now."
Yes, and try shadowing. That means listen to a sentence in English, pause, and repeat it exactly. It helps your mouth get used to the sounds. Podcasts are perfect for this, even ours.
Awesome tip, David. Let's move to the second reason, fear. Many learners are scared of making mistakes when they speak.
Oh, fear is a big enemy. You think, what if I say something wrong? People will laugh at me. But guess what? No one laughs. Everyone understands you're learning.
True! Even native English speakers make mistakes. I say and all the time, or mix up words. It's normal. Mistakes are how we learn.
Remember, when babies learn to talk, they make lots of mistakes, but they keep trying. We should be like babies, not afraid.
Yes! To beat fear, start in a safe place. Talk to a mirror. Say, "Hi, how are you?" Smile at yourself. It feels silly, but it builds confidence.
Or talk to your pet. My dog doesn't judge me when I practice English phrases. He just wags his tail.
That's cute, David. Another way? Join a language exchange app. Find someone who wants to learn your language, and you practice English together. It's fun and low pressure.
Perfect. Now, the third reason, you think in your first language and then translate to English.
This slows you down a lot. Your brain works hard to change words, and by the time you're ready, the moment is gone.
Yes. For example, if someone asks, "What did you do yesterday?" You think in your language first, "I went to the store," then translate. It takes too long.
The solution? Train your brain to think in English. Start with daily routines. When you eat, think, "This apple is red and sweet." No translating.
Good one. Also, keep a journal in English. Write 3 sentences every night about your day. Simple things like, "Today I woke up at 7, I ate eggs for breakfast, I walked to work."
That helps so much. Over time, your thoughts come in English naturally.
Let's add another reason we think is important. You don't have enough vocabulary for real conversations.
Oh, yes. You might know words from books like photosynthesis or democracy, but not everyday words like hang out or catch up.
Right. School English teaches formal words, but real life uses idioms and slang. That's why speaking feels hard. You don't have the right tools.
To fix this, learn phrases, not just single words. For example, instead of meet friends, learn hang out with friends. Watch YouTube videos about daily life and note down new phrases.
And use flashcards apps. Put a phrase on one side, like what's up, and the meaning on the other. Practice saying them out loud.
Great. Another point, you're not in an English environment. If you live where no one speaks English, it's tough to practice.
True, but you can create your own environment. Change your phone language to English. Listen to English music while cooking. Watch shows without subtitles.
Yes, and label things in your house. Put a sticky note on the fridge saying fridge, or on the door saying door. Say the word every time you see it.
That's simple and effective. Let's talk about one more reason. Perfectionism. Some learners want every sentence to be perfect before they speak.
But that stops you from speaking at all. It's better to say something imperfect than nothing.
Agree. Remember, communication is the goal, not perfection. If you say, I go store yesterday, people still understand you went to the store.
Exactly. To overcome this, set small goals. Speak for 1 minute a day without stopping, even if you make mistakes.
Or play games. Like, describe a picture in English for 30 seconds. It's fun and no pressure.
Love that. Now, let's share some listener stories to make this more engaging. We got an email from Maria in Spain. She said, I understood English movies but couldn't order coffee in London. I was so nervous.
Poor Maria. But she started practicing with a friend online, and now she speaks confidently. See? It works.
Another story from Ahmed in Egypt. He thought in Arabic first, but after thinking in English for routines, he speaks faster now.
Inspiring. Listeners, send us your stories. We might share them next time.
Okay, let's add some fun exercises. David, let's do one now. I'll say a situation and you respond in simple English.
Sure, go ahead.
You're at a restaurant. What do you say to order food?
Hi, I'd like the chicken salad, please. And water with no ice.
Easy! Listeners, try it at home. Pause the podcast and say your order.
Good practice. Another one. Describe your morning routine.
I wake up at 6, I brush my teeth. Then I make coffee and read the news.
See? Simple sentences are fine.
Now, for more tips. Use voice recording apps. Record yourself telling a story, like what you did last weekend. Listen back and note what to improve.
Yes, and don't forget apps like Duolingo or HelloTalk for speaking practice with others.
Also, watch TED Talks and repeat after the speaker. They speak clearly.
Let's talk about patience. Improving speaking takes time. Don't get frustrated if it's slow at first.
Right. Celebrate small wins, like saying hello to a stranger in English.
So, to sum it up, why you understand but can't speak. Lack of practice, fear, translating, not enough vocab, no environment, perfectionism.
Fixes. Speak daily. Beat fear with safe practice. Think in English. Learn phrases. Create English around you. Accept mistakes.
The more you speak, the better you get. It's like exercise. Start slow, build up.
Just like riding a bike. You fall at first, but soon you're riding free.
Well said. Listeners, start today. Say one English sentence right now. I can speak English.
Yes, keep practicing. Your English will improve.
Thanks for listening. Share this with a friend who needs it.
See you next episode. Bye.
Bye-bye.